Most Cadillac owners think they know their car inside and out, but after years around these vehicles, I can tell you many drivers are missing features that quietly make daily driving easier, safer, and less frustrating. I'm talking about storage compartments you won't find by accident, settings buried deep in menus, smart memory functions, and safety systems that activate without you touching a button. These aren't gimmicks or paid upgrades, they're built in, and most owners never use them once. Today I'm showing you 15 hidden Cadillac features most owners don't know exist. And feature number 13 has stopped theft attempts more times than most owners will ever realize. Number 15, dead key fob startup. Let's start with one feature that many Cadillac owners never even notice. Ever had your Cadillac key fob completely die, and you just stared at the dash like it betrayed you? There's a secret way to start your Caddy even when that fob battery is toast. But most owners don't even know about it. Cadillacs with push-button start still have an RFID chip inside the fob that the car can read even if the battery is gone. All you have to do is place the dead key fob in the designated spot, often the rear cup holder or a small slot in the center console. Then press the brake and push the engine start-stop button like normal. The engine will sense the chip directly and fire up your engine. I've seen Caddy owners without their car for days because they had no idea they could turn on the car even with a dead key fob. And here's a bonus tip for you. There's also a mechanical key inside the fob, so you can use it to unlock the door manually until you replace the battery. But there's another impressive feature that helps you drive your Caddy easily at night. Number 14, night vision detected. Most Cadillac owners never even realize this, but on trims like the Escalade, CT6, XT5, XT6, and some other models, there's a night vision option. This is a feature that can literally help you see what your headlights don't after dark. Cadillac's night vision system uses an infrared sensor in the lower grille to detect warm objects, like pedestrians and large animals, up to about 330 feet ahead. And then it highlights them on your instrument cluster display as long as your lights are on and you're in drive. To use it, switch your instrument cluster view to the night vision mode. You can easily find it selectable in the display info or DIC. When it's dark enough and your headlamps are on, the system will show a thermal image and outline the person or animal with the yellow box. Continue closing on them and that box can turn amber or red with beeps to get your attention. I've had customers drive Escalades out to ranch country at night and had deer show up on the night vision display before the headlights even picked them up. If you're not seeing it work, make sure the feature is enabled in settings, your headlights are on, and you're actually in gear. Number 13, advanced theft deterrent. Now there are many safety features that Cadillac owners don't even know about, one of which is the advanced theft deterrent. It's a suite of anti-theft technology built into vehicles like the CT5, XT5, XT6, Escalade, CT4, and XTS. Way better than a basic alarm. When you lock the door with the key fob, the keyless access system, or even the interior power lock while the door is open, the advanced theft deterrent arms itself automatically and starts watching for intrusions and tampering. Once armed, it locks your fuel filler door so that no one can siphon gas, activates the steering column lock so a thief can't just tow or push your Caddy away, and even uses inclination, interior movement, and glass breakage sensors to detect if someone is messing with the car or trying to break a window. And what happens when those sensors go off? Well, the system triggers the alarm horn, flashes the light, and can even activate a surround vision recorder if your Caddy has it. So if you're leaving your Cadillac parked in a sketchy area or overnight outside, here's a piece of advice for you. Always lock it with the fob or keyless access instead of the manual fob. Beyond safety, Cadillacs have a unique digital rearview mirror for easy driving. Number 12, digital rearview mirror. You might think the rearview mirror on your Cadillac is just a mirror, but that's not all. Models like the XT5, XT6, Escalade, and even the Lyriq come with a digital rearview mirror. Instead of staring at headrests, passengers, or stuck luggage in the back, you get a wide, unobstructed live video feed from a rear-mounted camera right in the mirror while you're driving. Once the vehicle is on, you can pull or push the little tab under the mirror and it switches instantly between the camera feed and a traditional mirror. You can even adjust brightness, tilt, and zoom with the buttons tucked under the mirror. If the image looks unclear, here's a tip for you. Use the rear camera washer on the XT5 and XT6 models by pushing the windshield wiper stalk forward. It sprays washer fluid on the camera lens above the rear plate. The feature isn't automatic on every trim and is often bundled in tech or visibility packages. And once you know about it, you'll never want to go back to a plain old mirror. Now, this isn't the only feature that gives you safety while you drive. Number 11, seat vibration alerts. Your Cadillac has a lot of features that keep you safe. One feature many don't know about is the optional safety seat alert. This is found on models like the ATS, CT5, CT6, CTS, XTS, Escalade, XT4, XT5, and XT6. In this case, your driver's seat will vibrate to warn you of real danger. Cadillac's safety alert seat uses small vibration motors on the left, right, or both sides of the driver's seat cushion to cue you before a collision threat or an object behind you when backing up. It's like someone tapping your shoulder to get your attention, only a lot more urgent. But the reason why Caddy owners don't know about it is because they have no idea how to turn it on. To turn it on, go into the settings menu on your Q infotainment screen, then click Vehicle, Collision or Detection Systems, and Alert Type. Switch from audible beeps to seat pulses. Whenever the car detects a hazard, the seat will pulse left or right depending on where the danger is. I had a Caddy owner in here freaking out once because his seat was always vibrating and he didn't realize that this was the safety alert feature on the car. Now, if you want to use this feature, here's a DIY trip you can try out. Don't pile thick aftermarket cushions or heavy seat covers on top because that could muffle the pulses. There's another feature that Cadillac has on its windows, and this one might surprise you. Number 10, key fob window vent. Most Cadillac owners never use their key fob for more than lock and unlock. But on many Caddies, there's remote window operation, like the XT5, CT5, Escalade, and Lyriq models, where you can actually drop all 4 windows remotely with a simple key sequence. The trick is built into the remote, but it isn't obvious unless you know where to look. Press the unlock button once, then press it again and hold it down for about 3 seconds, and the windows will roll down automatically, one by one, until you release. You've got to have the vehicle off and turn on the remote operation feature. Check your remote unlock settings or it won't work. I've used this trick at the shop on hot afternoons more times than I can count. You walk up to your hot Escalade, hit that unlock sequence on the key fob, and instant airflow without baking your interior. If the settings are correct but it doesn't work, check in Q/settings. Comfort open might be switched off from the factory too. Now, this isn't the only unique feature you might find, as your Caddy also has a lot of hidden compartments. Number 9, secret dash compartment. Many Cadillac owners have absolutely no idea that there's another stash spot built into the dash on models like the 2017 XTS and several Q-equipped Cadillacs. Behind the climate control panel, which is that shiny V-line of buttons across the center stack, lies a secret dash compartment that's more useful than a cup holder. The whole section tilts outward to reveal a storage cubby with a wireless charger pad and a USB port tucked inside. It's perfect for your phone, keys, or charging cable, instead of leaving them to rattle around in the console. To use it, start the car or switch to accessory mode so the RAP is active. Then press firmly but not hard on the lower trim and it'll pop open. You can lay your QI-compatible phone face up on the pad until the charging symbol shows up on cue. A quick DIY trick I tell customers: wipe the pad with rubbing alcohol every few months to keep the contacts clean and prevent any intermittent charging issues. This is a pretty useful feature, but the next one is also a hidden place to store your items in your Caddy. Number 8, hidden Q storage. In many Q-equipped models like the 2013 through 2016 CTS, XTS, and ATS, that sleek infotainment screen hides a real storage cubby. And trust me, it's not just a place to stuff a few napkins. Touch the bottom edge of the Q screen's motorized faceplate and the whole lower panel lifts up to reveal a 1.8-liter storage compartment with a USB port tucked inside. This is the perfect spot to stash your phone, wallet, or cables out of sight while it charges or syncs. To use it, press gently on the lower chrome bar beneath the screen when the car is on. The panel pops up smoothly, so there's no need to yank it or you'll end up stretching the hinge. Pull your USB cable straight into the port, drop your device in, and close the panel when you're done. I've seen Caddy owners leave cables trailing across the dash and floor, but that's how stuff gets damaged. This hidden cubby keeps things tidy and secure, and you don't need aftermarket mods. Now the next hidden feature is one that might surprise you because many don't even know it exists. Number 7. Auto hold in traffic. The auto hold in Cadillacs is hidden behind a tiny button and a menu, so many people don't even know about it. This is one of the best convenience features you can activate on CT5, XT5, XT6, Escalade, CT4, and some other Cadillac models that are equipped with electronic parking brakes. It holds your car completely still after a full stop, even if you take your foot off the brake. That means there's no need to constantly press the pedal in traffic lines or at long lights. To use it, first turn the vehicle on and make sure you're in drive, then press the auto hold button on the center console. You'll see a little indicator light up in the instrument cluster. When you come to a complete stop and release the brake pedal, the system electronically locks the brakes for you. When you're ready to go, just press the accelerator and it lets go instantly. Number 6. Memory seats and easy exit. A lot of Cadillac owners don't know that their car has memory seats, and this is a feature that can go a long way. You can save 2 full driver profiles, including the seat, mirrors, power steering column, and HUD height. Plus, there's an easy exit position that moves everything back when you turn off the car so you can get out without squeezing sideways. On models like the CT5, CT6, Escalade from 2017 to 2021, XT4, XT5, and XT6, the system links those saved positions to key fob 1 or to key fob 2. To set them up, start the car or switch to accessory mode with the key fob in the vehicle and the gear in park. Then, you can adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to where you like it, press set, and immediately press and hold memory 1 or 2 until you hear 2 beeps. That locks it in. For easy exit, adjust everything to where you want it for getting out. Press set, then press and hold the exit button until you hear 2 beeps. Once you enable easy exit in settings, vehicle, and seating position, the seat and steering column will slide back about 3 inches automatically when you turn the ignition off and open the driver door. Now there's another feature that makes it easy for you to drive, but you might not even know that it's in your Caddy. Number 5. Adaptive lighting and auto high beams. Another hidden feature that's definitely on your Cadillac is the adaptive lighting and auto high beams. Most people leave their headlights in auto and never think twice about them. But if your Caddy is equipped with adaptive lighting and IntelliBeam auto high beams on models like the CT5, XT5, XT6, Escalade, CT4, and CT6, you can get smarter night driving that reacts to traffic for you instead of blinding everyone on the road. IntelliBeam will automatically switch your high beams on when it's dark and there's no traffic, then immediately switch them off when it senses another vehicle's lights or tail lights, all without you touching the stalk. To use it, start the car and set the headlamp control to auto or manually turn the low beams on. Then press the auto high beams or IntelliBeam on the turn signal lever or toggle the auto high beams on in the control app. Now the system only kicks in about 25 miles per hour or faster. Here's a DIY tip you should keep in mind. Keep the windshield area around the light sensor clean because dead bugs, road grime, or interior tint film can confuse the system and make your high beams stay off when you actually need them. Number 4. Second row power folding. If you own an Escalade, you may not know that you have more space than the rear cargo space for luggage or groceries. The second row seats can power fold and tumble at the touch of a button right from the cargo area. On Escalades from roughly the 2015 onward era, with power folding second row seats, there are hidden switches on the trim panels in the cargo bay. These let you collapse each seat back or tumble it forward without climbing in and wrestling with levers behind the doors. To get this done, pop the liftgate, make sure the truck is in park, and unbuckle any seat belts or remove anything that's under or in front of the second row seats. Then, press the power seat fold and tumble switch on the side trim of the cargo area. I've seen owners go crazy trying to fold the heavy captain's chairs only to find this button and wonder why they didn't know about it sooner. If it doesn't move, don't force the seat. Instead, check that there's nothing wrong. One button can raise your tailgate and fold your seats. But did you know that you could wipe the rain off your windshield automatically? Number 3, rain sensing wipers. Now this is definitely a hidden feature that you didn't know about. If your Caddy is equipped with rain sense, it can automatically detect moisture on the windshield and adjust the wiper speed for you without you having to adjust the settings every few minutes. This feature shows up on models like the Escalade, XT5, XT6, CT5, CT4, and XTS. Most people don't even know that this feature exists, and they don't end up turning it on at all. If you want to use it, enable it under Comfort and Convenience in the vehicle settings. Also, move the windshield wiper lever up to Auto, then use the rotary sensitivity band on the wiper lever to turn up the system for more sensitivity or down for less sensitivity. RainSense watches a sensor near the top center of the windshield and adjusts the wipe frequency based on moisture. Now you need to keep that sensor area clean of bugs, wax, or film. Even a little grime can confuse the system and make it wipe either too much or not enough when you're on a highway at 60 miles per hour. Number 2, night mode. If there's one feature that many Caddy owners don't realize, it's the night mode, hiding in plain sight on the digital dash in models like the CT4V and CT5V Blackwing. If you turn the interior dimmer all the way down at night, the whole cockpit goes into a super minimal lighting theme. The instrument panel becomes simple, all the unnecessary backlight goes dark, and only the important information stays lit. With your Cadillac in run and the headlights on, you can scroll the brightness thumb wheel on the dash all the way down. You'll notice the cluster and ambient lighting fade until important gauges and warning lights remain. I've driven Cadillacs at night with this feature, and once that minimal mode kicks in, your eyes stop hunting for contrast and you can see the road better without any distractions. If you still see too much light, hit the dome light override so those overhead lamps don't sneak on when a door opens. Number 1, the tailgate button. Almost nobody knows there's more to the Escalade's rear hatch than just pushing the button to open it. Most Cadillac owners think the tailgate button on the key fob or the hands-free kick sensor is the only way to get into the cargo area. But on many Escalades, especially 2021 and newer models, the Cadillac crest on the rear liftgate doubles as a secret open button. This is a hinged button you can press to automatically pop the entire liftgate, giving you instant access to the cargo area without fumbling for the exterior handle. The crest acts as a button to open the glass only, while a second button will open the entire tailgate. To use it, unlock the Escalade first with your key fob, then gently press the lower edge of the Cadillac crest. As long as the vehicle is in park and the battery is healthy, it should swing up cleanly every time. Piece of advice for you: don't smash the emblem. That little hinge isn't meant for brute force, and repeated slamming can loosen the mounting over time. Once it's open, you can use the interior button on the tailgate to close it. With these hidden Cadillac features, you can start driving smarter instead of harder. Don't just stick to your manual. Instead, check out your infotainment for more tools and features that save you time, stress, and even money in the long run. Which of these did you already know about? Let us know in the comments. If you want more real advice for Cadillac owners, make sure to subscribe and check out my next video where I share the 3 worst and 4 best Cadillac engines you can buy.